the left. Captain Kessering calls. Smoke on. Off brakes now. Burners ready now. And the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you will notice that the smoke is no longer visible while the engines are an afterburner. Completing the half-human eight. As the Diamond accelerates in the descent, they will acquire the necessary airspeed for their next maneuver.